Hi guys, it's Keith, Arkenberg Farms here. Since it's been a busy week, I haven't been able to get too many videos. I'm just going to do a short one real quick. Show you what I'm working on right now, which you can see behind me. Since the grass has gotten so ridiculous this year and just won't seem to quit growing, I'm just going to cover everything with landscape fabric. I'm almost got this whole aisle through here done. Let me show you what I'm doing. Now the other day I went through and lined in front of the chicken coop. Went all the way around because I got tired of the grass coming up all along here in these little areas I couldn't mow very well. And while I was working on that, I also covered between the sheds and between my two walk-ins or reach-ins. Now I'm back here doing the same thing. To start out, come down to one end. We pin it about where we start. I had to go underneath my hoses because I haven't got those hoses replaced yet. Then we roll out clear to the end. To where we want it to stop at, and we cut it. Just using my little Arbor Freight micro torch for this. Can't cut it with scissors or it frays. Just go through and burn it across. The only thing you gotta watch for is every once in a while with this little mini torch, it'll light it on fire and you just gotta blow it out. That way it doesn't melt up the roll. Just like that. We're fully cut away. Now we take that first pin list we put over here to hold it in place and bring it down to where we want it. Check my overlaps. About 3 inches there. About 3 inches there. Go ahead and pin in the middle again. We come up to our sheet up top that's already been hooked down. Pull its pin loose. Set it up underneath. And put our pin back down. Now I'll go along here and pull all my pins from the overlapping one first because the water's running downhill. You always want the downhill to go over the top of the water. I'll pull all these. Tuck this up. I'll pin it first, clear down at the far end, and I'll go to the middle and place the pins back along the edge. Now, through the magic of YouTube and the next day, you can see what I've accomplished. Still got some stuff over here I gotta put away. Mounted my soil screen over here to the side of the shed. It's hinged. I got my bucket underneath it so I can just very easily pull it out, drop it down. And I covered all this with plastic. No more weeds. Look at all this usable space I now have. All the way down here to the end. It's my little tool storage shed here. It's an old box. I put a roof on. And all the way into the walk-in area. Isn't that nice? Well, I hope you all like what you saw here today and thought it was useful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank y'all. Have a good day.